just like that. We tighten that down, and then we put our top on. We'll open this up. And so this has two pieces in it, y'all. The actual top, and then it's got a shelf. So what I do is I put the shelf in first to sort of stabilize the booth. And so that is for all your crap. And if you're a DJ, you know you have a lot of crap. So that's for all that. Then we have this guy. And what's cool about it, I don't know if you can get in here, Rev, but like these grooves right here are what is going to attach to your booth and allow it to slide on there. So then it goes on like this. Just slips down on there, nice and flat. You can run your cables down under here. Again, you've got your shelf for the